Welcome to Cribl University, How-To Criblets for Performance Observability. In this module, we will go step by step through how to configure Cribl Internal Metrics in Cribl Edge for performance observability. So what exactly do Cribl Internal Metrics provide? As you may already know, metrics are generated in the form of an event stream that may be enabled in a group's sources. This metric data provides insight into the data string. Every 2 seconds, stream workers and edge nodes aggregate throughput and health metrics. These internal metrics provide data regarding throughput and transformation data. Metric data also provides insight into system health. It allows you to see input, output, and system health metrics. This data is generated at the edge node and sent to the leaders to populate dashboard information. It can be stored in an S3 bucket or other storage locations in order to perform health monitoring or forensics on the data. Not enabling internal metrics limits you to, at most, 24 hours of data stream monitoring data. So how can this data be used? Cribl metrics aid in the analysis of data stream performance. The data from metrics can be used to view historical throughput trends, health issues of worker nodes, as well as host system resource metrics. Now let's take a look at how to enable internal metrics in Cribl Edge. To enable internal metrics in Edge, we first need to select the fleet we want to enable the metrics on. Then navigate to the Fleets Collect page. On this page, we will select Add Source in order to add the internal source. By filtering on System and Internal Sources, we will see the Cribl Internal Source. Select the Cribl Internal Source. Once selected, you have the ability to enable Cribl Logs or Cribl Metrics Source. If asked if you want to switch from routes to Quick Connect, select Yes. Let's take a look at the step-by-step instructions for routing the internal metrics data to Edge. Let's start from the beginning. In order to route Cribl Internal Metrics, navigate to the fleet you enabled the internal metrics. On this page, select the Collect link. Now we are ready to connect our internal metrics to Cribl string. Using the Cribl HTTP destination, drag the Cribl Internal Metrics source to the Cribl HTTP destination. On the Connection Configuration modal, select Pass-Through and click on Save. Now let's go through some quick things to remember when configuring metrics data for performance observability. First, remember that every 2 seconds, workers and nodes aggregate throughput and health metrics. These internal metrics provide data regarding throughput and transformation. Next, remember that you can store this data to perform health monitoring and forensics in an S3 bucket or other storage location. And finally, this data provides critical monitoring and forensics information that should be made available to a system of analysis. That wraps this How-To Criblet on configuring Cribl Internal Metrics in Edge for performance observability. Thank you for watching. Make sure to take a look at the other Criblets we have available within Cribl University. We appreciate you joining us. And as always, have a good one.